the fish road.
Out of all the shops that we've been, this has the longest line. It like stretches all the way back in there.
We are off to Toyosu Market. This is the new fish market. It's a replacement of the old Tsukiji Market. So the auction for the seafood markets actually starts at 5 a.m. and the eateries open at 7 a.m. So it's nearly 10 a.m. so we're actually very late. I predict there's going to be very long lines because it's a Saturday morning. They're selling all sorts of different skewers here, and she's actually buying something. What are you buying here?
Fish cake, but it's got some gold medals next to it, so I had to try it.
Gold medal fish cake. Let's have a close look. Wow.
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty good.
Is it really good?
Yeah, it's really good.
What's so good about it?
I think because I was asking for the one like in the counter, and she's like, "Oh, just wait, they make a new one." So they made this new, so it's super hot. So this is the grilled fatty tuna on a skewer, 10 bucks. Oh, it's still hot. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. It's so comforting that, because you know it's fatty tuna and it's grilled, so it's just soft.
Fatty tuna skewer. Soft like tofu. Delicious. Okay, I've got a Kishu Sweetfish with salt. Kishu Sweetfish with salt. It's a whole fish here. I wonder if you can eat the bones. Let's give it a go. Oh, really hot. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. Really tender. It's really yummy, eh?
Is it sweet or salty?
It's just perfect. And look, there is the fish roe. There's fish roe inside that. Look at this.
You eat the whole thing, eh? Including the bones.
You can eat the bones?
Yeah.
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 It's really yummy. It's really good, hey? You can eat all the bones, yeah. So this is, I probably eat the tail as well, huh? Let's do it. It's good. 700 yen. You should get one.
Alright, I got a Japanese premium egg omelette with eel, and out of all the shops that we've been, this has the longest line. It like stretches all the way back in there. It's pretty long.
Yeah, massive line, hey?
Yep, and they only sell pretty much two things, egg omelette and eel and egg omelette.
Wow.
Yep, so let's give it a go. The eel is, I've had better, but it's good, it's good, it's good. Oh. The egg is slightly sweet.
Yeah.
Goes down pretty good.
Yeah.
It's good, but I think, so with the eel and egg, they put it in the steamer thing already. So when I order, they just pick it up. But if you just order the egg, I think it's freshly made. So that's probably the way to go.
Just the egg by itself.
Just the egg by itself. So the egg by itself is $3 and this is $9.
We've gone upstairs. Is a food court. It's a huge one as well. It's very long. They have everything. Sushi, sashimi, grilled fish. So this is the award-winning sushi set, fresh sushi set. And I got an additional 2 pieces of otoro with that for 1,000 yen, which is like, it's a no-brainer. 1,000 yen for two pieces of otoro. Really, I got to start with the otoro. I don't want to leave it. I don't want to leave it to last because I'll be too full by then. Stick that in there. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, that's good. All right, let's try this. It's not otoro.
Chutoro.
I think it's chutoro. it's fatty, but it's still a little bit of that
It's not melting in your mouth.
crunchiness, like you know, that chotoro flavor, firmness. So chotoro is like medium fatty tuna. Yeah. So the eel is wrapped in nori, seaweed, and underneath that is like a fried piece of egg under there, and it comes in a very cool looking thing here. Whoa! So this is a pretty hard to handle one. Whoa. All right, one bite. I think they all go. Everything goes together really well. Like each combination makes it just taste really nice. Yeah, there are some reviews that say that this place is a little bit expensive, but and it could be true. Some places were a little bit overpriced, but then there were some things which were pretty reasonable. And I think if you go upstairs to that food court to the third floor, the pricing is pretty good. $26 for like for a full sushi set is pretty reasonable. What did you get? You got the soba.
I had cold soba, the oden with 4 pieces of like fish cake and stuff.
Yeah.
And 3 pieces of tempura, the eggplant, crab, and I remember some squid thing. And what else did I have? Yeah, that was about $20.
$20. Yeah, so that's about right. I think it's a pretty reasonable price. Just obviously don't overpay. There's some places that were a bit more expensive than others.
Yeah. And it came with like, you know, once you grab all your food, you get all the condiments at the side, and it has like seaweed and all this other stuff. Pretty good.
Yeah. No, it's good.
I was happy with it.
Great place. Guys, we're done with the Toyosu markets now, the fish markets. How did you think of this place?
Yeah, I think it's good. I think we came at a good time. Like we arrived at around 10 a.m., which is it was still quiet. So the lines, there weren't that many queues in the line, but it got quick. It got busy quick. So I would recommend. Wow, look at this!
Oh my god, what is this thing?
Giant cracker.
It's our phantom friend. He doesn't want to show his face.
So I would recommend worth a visit if you've never been here before, and you can have lunch here. You'll definitely be filled up. Rice cracker.
Oh, that's nice, eh? Thanks so much for watching the video. Like this video, give us a like and sub, and we'll see you on the next one.